Today we are come here to the Marriott Hotel.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
We are come here for the Valentine dinner at Nami Zumi restaurant, which is situated at 9th Abdullah Haroon Road within the Karachi Marriott Hotel in the civil line of Karachi. Here you will find delicious Chinese cuisine with different variety of dishes. It was a buffet of Chinese dishes and there were variety of dishes that they were providing. I will be cutting the Valentine cake and we will be also exchanging our gifts that we got for each other on this special Valentine Day. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. I hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So guys, today is 14th February and it's Valentine Day. So my husband just came from work and he told us to get ready, me and Arthur, and he is taking us for dinner. Valentine dinner, you can say that, and we are so excited. So guys, we want to hear from you guys and what are you all doing today on Valentine Day. Where are you all planning to go out with your family and how are you all celebrating this day? Some people, they celebrate this day with their family, with their beloved, with their friends and with family and all. So we wanting to know in the comment box below that how are you all celebrating this beautiful day. And my husband did not tell me as yet that where he's taking us for dinner, so stay tuned and let's see where he take us.
So we have started our journey by the grace of Almighty God and now we are going for a Valentine dinner. So let's see where Austin takes us for dinner. It was around 7:30 and you can see that there is a less rush on road because it was a Friday and some of the offices they get off early. So that's why there is no rush on the road today. And we are able to reach on time. So Austin brought us here at Marriott Hotel for our dinner and we are very excited because Austin gave us a surprise and he brought me and Arthur here and we are very happy. Marriott Hotel has got its own charm. So guys, Austin has revealed us that where he's taking us for our Valentine dinner. The restaurant name is Nami Zumi restaurant. Is a Chinese cuisine restaurant. So now Arthur and Austin, they both are clicking pictures to make memories and they both are looking very handsome by the grace of Almighty God. So guys, as you can see that there is a small rickshaw here and this guy is selling pan and we are just come to see that what things he's selling here in this rickshaw because it was fascinating us a lot. Okay, so now comes the most beautiful moment. We are entering a Marriott Hotel. As you can see that they have decorated this hotel so beautifully. In the entrance only you saw a heart full of flowers here and it's looking so beautiful. And this is another restaurant called Nadia restaurant, which is also a very good restaurant. Most probably we might come here next time, but now we are going to Nami Zumi restaurant. I've heard a lot about this restaurant. Nami Zumi restaurant is situated at 9th Abdullah Haroon Road within Karachi Marriott Hotel in the civil line area of Karachi. So those of you who wanting to visit this restaurant, it is located within Karachi Marriott Hotel, so you all can come and visit. So as we are entering inside to go to the restaurant, you can see that on our way we are finding so beautiful, shops here, and the passageway, the entrance, it's looking so beautiful, which is leading us to the restaurant. So guys, I'll give you a tour later because now we're getting late for dinner because the dinner time which we have reserved was 8 o'clock. So this is Nami Zumi restaurant. As you can see the outer design of the restaurant, and it's looking really beautiful, as you all can see, because it was a Valentine Day, and everything was decorated according to the theme of Valentine Day, and it was basically a candlelight dinner at Nami Zumi restaurant. So here you will find the interior and the design, everything in red. Here at Nami Zumi restaurant you will find an exceptional cuisine which meets a romantic atmosphere. So since it was a Valentine Day, so everything was decorated and it was designed so beautifully. The tables were looking so beautiful, and we were also very excited, especially me and Arthur. It was a very beautiful place. And guys, they had live music here, and it was giving you a touch of a romantic dinner. And the environment was very beautiful and romantic. The soup was very nice. Even Austin was saying that the soup was piping hot. It was very delicious, very yummy, and he really liked it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase and leave.
So guys, this restaurant offers a special pan-Asian dining experience, making it an ideal choice for a romantic Valentine dinner. So for more information, you can also visit the official website. And also, to ensure a memorable Valentine Day experience, it is advisable to make reservation in advance. And you can look around that the place is looking very beautiful. So celebrate Valentine Day with an unforgettable dining experience where exceptional cuisine meets a romantic atmosphere. So guys, now they have served us soup and it was piping hot. They have also provided us with this prawns cracker as well, and the soup was very delicious. It was hot. It was chicken hot and sour soup. It was very good. We were enjoying. Even my son Arthur was enjoying the soup.
Finding life along the way. Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
So we started with our starters. They served us soup, and we are enjoying the soup. So guys, they have also served us prawns tempura, and it was very delicious. They served us this cake, and it was in pink color with a heart on it, and it was looking so beautiful. Along with it, they also gave us a box. So when we opened the box, there were chocolates in it. There were 4 chocolates in it. And all 4 chocolates were in heart shape. Guys, the food was very delicious, very tasty. We really loved the food.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
So Austin is giving me a rose. It was a very beautiful moment, and I was really blushing when he was giving me rose. I am really blessed to have him in my life by the grace of Almighty God.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Austin has always been a very supportive husband. He has always supported me in everything, and I'm so blessed to have him in my life. Arthur is busy watching his videos. And this guy who was singing, he was singing so beautiful. I mean, like, he was creating a very romantic environment, and the music was very good. It was the live music that was playing.
Hold me close till I get up.
So guys, these are the foods that they were providing us, dishes, different kind of dishes were here. There was sushi, and there were other, dish that was over here, and everything was so delicious. The sweets, the desserts were very very delicious. I didn't try all, but I really tried their pudding. It was very nice. And then there were different kind of Chinese food. There was noodles, there was just prawns, sweet and sour, and these are crabs. I don't like crabs, so I didn't taste crabs. And there was kheer, and then there was Chinese rice over here. There was, like, egg fried rice. Then this prawn sweet and sour was very delicious. I really loved it, and the food out here was really really nice. I really give 10 on 10. And everything was so beautiful, very yummy, very tasty. I really liked the dinner. The dinner was very good, very awesome. So these egg puddings were also very yummy.
Finding life along the way. Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing
So now I will be cutting cake.
around to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
This cake is looking so beautiful and it's tempting me to eat. So now I'm just waiting that when we will cut this cake and when we will eat. And as you can look around, the interior and the design of the restaurant is very beautiful. So now I am cutting the cake, and my first bite of this cake will go to Austin.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Yummy, the cake was very delicious by the grace of Almighty God. Okay guys, so now comes the most exciting part, when we will be exchanging the gifts that we both got for each other, and it's very beautiful moment. So I'm capturing this. I got a wallet from Jafar Ji for Austin, and he really liked the wallet that I got for him. So he is unboxing his gift that I got for him, and you will see that the wallet that I gave him, it's looking very beautiful. It's a very good wallet. Arthur is very excited, so he is unboxing Austin's gift that I got for him. Okay, guys, so Austin he gifted me Pearl Continental Privilege Club card. Basically, this card, I will tell you in my next vlog. I'll make a separate vlog on this, that what are the benefits of this card. Very soon, I'm going to make this vlog, so there I will tell you the whole details and everything. So now, when I got this card, and I'm so excited and happy, it has got a lot of benefits in it. So now I'm unboxing this box, and here you see this card. This card is very beautiful, and I will tell you the whole detail in my next vlog. Okay, so now we had a perfect and very yummy food. So now we are going home. So as you can see that while going home, I told you that I'm going to show you the passage, the hotel walk around tour, a bit of it that I can show you, and you can see that it's looking so beautiful. I mean, this hotel, Marriott Hotel itself is very beautiful. Beautiful painting here this shop has, and it's very very nice. They had a small shop, you can say, here where they had this carpet shop, and next to it there was a shop where they were selling, a different kind of, juices, chips, biscuits. Here you'll find everything, chocolates and chips and other things. My son Arthur, he wanting to buy juice because he's so fond of having juice that he was crying for juice, so we got him here so that he can find juice for himself. And I'm giving you a tour of the shop. You'll find toys here as well, and it was a good shop where you can find all the good items.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This hotel looks very very beautiful.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
So guys, I'm giving you a walk around tour outside Marriott Hotel and showing you how beautiful this hotel looks, not only from inside, even from outside. It looks very beautiful.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
In the lobby of Marriott, we came across this classic, beautiful old car which seems to be from 50s and 60s. And although it is not modern, but it seems quite appealing and elegant, as you all can see.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So guys, now we are going home, but before that, Arthur saw this rickshaw thing over here, and he wanting to buy something, so he got some chocolates for himself, some candies you can say. So we got for him candies.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the